Connect to Grow workshop. Toastmaster Lorraine Campbell.
Madam Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters.
What about your shirt?
Oh, thank you so much for asking. It's that time again. And what time is it that you ask? Well, last year when I was club president, I asked a question to the group. If you could add value to the club, what would you add? And people threw some really good ideas on the floor, but 2 ideas stuck and kind of got my creative juices flowing. And the first idea was Diane Diamantis' idea, was the table topic breakfast. Did anybody go to any of the table topic breakfasts or the dinner? Did we not have some fun? We learned so much at the table topic breakfast. I think what I enjoyed about the table topic breakfast is helping someone's dream of what they saw come to life and then step back and watch it take wings. The second one that made me go, I like that idea, was Garfield, our president's idea, was to put together a workshop towards the end of the year that would bring all of our skills together that we learned as Toastmasters, but put it forward in a different type of manner. So we did the Connect to Grow workshop. How many people here went to the Connect to Grow workshop? Somebody want to say how they enjoyed it, didn't like it? What do you think of it, Marilyn?
It was fun. It was fun.
What do you like about it?
The interaction, and probably the most beneficial part to me was just how we taught you to hold your body and what your body was saying, whether it was your shoulders back or your head down. And I was with David, and the two of us were, wow, this is feeling good, like being a puppet.
And for our new members, one of the things, thank you, Marilyn, one of the things that we learned in the workshop is that words on a page are just words on a page, but as an actor, because we work with an impromptu workshop called Sick Puppy, is that they taught us how to take the words and give it an emotional value. And that was really interesting. This year, we're partnering with them again on July the 7th. When?
July 7th.
They say when you repeat stuff, it sticks in your head. We're going to be doing another workshop at the Coral Springs Library. Now, this workshop is a little bit different. This one is how to structure a story and then add humor to it. Now, everyone can be funny. That's why we have different types of comedians. We have the Eddie Murphy funny, the Woody Allen funny, the Lenny Bruce funny. But how do you put that into a presentation? So that's what we're going to be doing this year. Now, what makes it so much different than last year? Well, we still have a lot of interaction like we had last year, but learning how to put your presentation together. Now, I enjoy workshops because there's always something that you can learn and something that you can take away from each workshop. This workshop, what we're hoping that everyone will take away from it is being able to take those skills that they learned from the workshop and just not put it to their presentation, but bring it into your everyday life. Because that's why we're all here. This is why we put together these workshops. We put together these workshops so that we can take things and put forth to be better communicators. Better communicators, better people. So, how can you help us put together this workshop? Well, the first thing is we are going to be doing t-shirts again. I know, they are so lovely, especially with the ask me about my t-shirt on the back. As of this week, the event is up on Eventbrite. Now, because you guys are members of Club Awesome, the tickets are $20 for the general public. But for us, they're $15. The secret code is, do you want to know the secret code?
Yes, we love secret codes.
Yeah.
2, 4, 4, 5. First I thought maybe use the zip code, and then I thought everybody has different zip codes. Gotta have a number that they all will remember. And if you didn't find that funny, then you may not be a member of Club Awesome. Now how
For
can
anybody who
you...
doesn't know, it's the club number. It's on the agenda. Okay. All right. Well, I don't think everybody has that memorized.
Trying to be practical here. We have a lot of numbers flying around in our head. Now how can you help us so that we can break even, bring a friend? If every single member brought a person, we'd break even and have an awesome workshop. The second thing is Sick Puppy Production has sent us 9 videos. So what we'll be doing is presenting the videos every Friday so that you can see it. But what I do ask of you, because you've all asked how can you help, is send it out to your contacts, to your Facebook, to your Twitter feed. Let everybody know. A good thing is hard to keep down. But unless we let everybody know that we've got a good thing going on, it will fall by the wayside. So we do need your help. Now we're going to show you the ad that you will be sending out to your... Oh, isn't that a great picture, y'all?
You got me shaking.
So please join us. Connect to grow. We connect to people, for people, and through people. Madam Table Talk.